In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable form to collect responses. We'll go through the full process from setting up the form inside your base to sharing it and checking the submissions that come in. If you're using Airtable to gather information from clients, teammates, or anyone filling out a request, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want to collect responses. This is important because every form submission will be saved as a new record in that base. Before you begin building the form, it helps to make sure your table already has the fields you want to use, since the form will pull from that structure. Next, create a form view. Inside Airtable, click the option to create a new view, then choose Form. Airtable will automatically generate a form based on the fields in your table. This gives you a strong starting point, and from there, you can customize what people will see when they open the form. Now, add the fields users need to complete. Think carefully about what information you actually need from the person filling it out. You want the form to be clear and efficient, so include only the fields that are necessary. Keeping the form focused can improve completion rates and reduce confusion. After that, mark the important fields as required. This is especially useful for information you must collect every time, such as a name, request type, or any essential details. Requiring key fields helps prevent incomplete submissions and saves you time later when reviewing responses. Once the fields are set, move on to the form design. Add a clear title, a short description, and simple instructions so users understand exactly what the form is for and how to complete it. Good form design makes the experience easier for the person submitting it and can lead to better quality responses. Before sending it out, preview the form. This step lets you see the form the way users will see it. Check that the layout feels clean, the wording makes sense, and the required fields are working properly. It's a good idea to read through everything once to catch any mistakes or unclear instructions. When everything looks right, share the form by copying the form link and sending it to your users. You can paste that link into an email, a message, or anywhere people can access it easily. Finally, check responses by reviewing the submitted records inside Airtable. Each submission will appear in your table, making it easy to track, organize, and manage the information you've collected. And that's how to create and use an Airtable form from start to finish.